risers. Okay, so if you got a riser, then obviously your wobbler just screws into the top of the riser piece. Then the riser just screws just like a wobbler into here. Make sure it's going in. It's going to go in pretty easy. So if it's hard to get in, you may be cross-threading. Okay, then once you get it in, okay, just hand tight. That's all this stuff needs to be. Okay, doesn't need to be really tight. Okay, and now you're going to get a rod and a backer plate. Okay, so you want to take off the nuts. Okay, put that on. Put the backer plate on and put the nuts back on. Okay, and just put them on just a little bit. Okay, okay, because what we're going to do is we're going to loosen this up. Okay, because what we want to do is this is going to go through here and it's going to go through one of the U-bolts. Just like that, you see? Okay, and now I'm going to stick it in the ground and you'll see. Now what this does is it functions without it, but what it does is it makes the bottom stiffer so that when this is on, that force doesn't make it go in a circle, right? Because it's pretty tall now, okay? So, right, so it's just gonna go straight in the ground, okay? Now, these should just be, hand tight so that they don't slide down, just like this, okay? Just like that. Okay, so see how it makes it stiff down here? You don't get that spin, right? Because once this turns on, right, that force of the water makes it want to spin. And that's it. So come in here and take a look of it in the ground, and that's how you set it up.